Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a correlation matrix, and it's a scatter plot. The purpose for doing this is you want to calculate correlation coefficients for all the variables in the dataset in a single command, and as well as its visualization. Okay. So first, let me load in my handy-dandy ARIS dataset. You can see the ARIS dataset. The first four columns are four continuous variables, so we're going just to use those four. We put it in the dataset called data. And in order to calculate all the correlation coefficients together simultaneously, we can use the R function COR core. Okay, so here is the syntax. And you can see it immediately compute all the correlation coefficients between any pairs of these four variables. The next one, we want to visualize this correlation matrix. We can use RPAC for the core plot. First, you need to install it. So I already did, so I'm going to just load the library. And then you just run this core plot function. There are different options you can tweak in order to get different looks of the visualization. And I want you to visit the R documentation for this function and learn the nuts and bolts about this function. Okay. So here I'm just doing a demo, just showing you what it generates. Okay, so it'll give you like half of the matrix visualized. Not sure what the color scheme is. I don't see, like some package will give you maybe higher correlation will be darker color and lower correlation will be lighter color, but it doesn't seem the case for this plot. But anyway, this is a direct visualization. So if you want a better visualization, there's another package called G-Galley. So you can install it and you can load it. And then the function to create the scatter plot matrix is the GG pairs. Yeah, and then this one is actually pretty visually beautiful, I would say. So you can see the scatter plot between any two pairs, and there's a density function plot for each of the variables. Okay, thank you for watching.